Welcome to Double Level Astro, and I'd like to thank you guys for watching this video. I just wanted to hop on camera today with an Infinity Processor System review, and I wanted to share some information with you guys for those that have questions about this program. I know a lot of marketers, when they get online and they do marketing, their products and anything that they trying to present to the audience, you run into a brick wall, and you run out of sources. Sometimes Facebook may not be enough for you. Sometimes YouTube or any other free traffic may not be enough to you, and a lot of you don't have the budget for paid services, any type of paid traffic. And I know a lot of you have maybe tried out Infinity Process System, and you may not have received any type of results while you was doing this, and you start to ask yourself, is it a scam? Is it a scam? And me in the beginning, fumbling around these new type of products and things like that, I thought a lot of this stuff, I thought the same thing as a marketer. But as I dig more deep and studied and did more research, I start to see that a lot of people was being successful with this company. And I'm here to tell you that Infinity Process System isn't a scam. And I had gotten my first sale, and the thing was that not only did I get one sale, but I had got 2 sales in 1 week, and that came out of nowhere. But at the same time, you ask yourself, how did I get that? And it's just simple as one of the things that, I noticed is just by consistency. And now I know you people out there, you get tired of, hearing consistency over and over again, consistency. And you kind of think to yourself, like, why does I keep on hearing this? I mean, I'm hearing that word pretty much consistently, but that's the name of the game, y'all. It's really is consistency and persistence. Doing things on the regular. And when you keep going on, you will start to see the results. Once you do your daily opportunities, your daily routine, you will start to see it picks up. It's like a snowball effect. And my sponsor once told me, gradually over time, people will start noticing you when you start putting out more content, when you start showing your face that you're a real person. More people will start gravitating towards you, because a lot of people be camera shy, and a lot of people be afraid to get on camera to speak and let people know what they're promoting, because sometimes you don't want to mess up, and I get that. But over time, with practice, practice make perfect. You have to make the step. And Infinity Process showed me a lot of things that I did not know in the past of doing affiliate marketing. I did not know how to really post on Facebook. I did not know how to get attraction to my posters and get engagement. It took this program and for me to get all in. And when I first joined this, I joined at the pro level, because I thought highly of myself, that I really wanted to do something. I really wanted to accomplish. So I had went all in. And I'm saying, you guys, if you strive, you can do the same. And I'm gonna show you here in the Facebook group. I'm gonna go here in the Facebook group, and I will show you that people are just like you, are getting results. Let's see. Infinity. Okay, processing. Okay. And you can see this is the proof group. Now, once you get with Infinity Process System, you're going to see this proof group that you're going to join. And a lot of members here, they give it out testimonials, and also they show their results that they brought somebody inside of this program. Now, like I said, you could pretty much pass this program down to the next person that's up under you. As you can see here, welcome to the group. 𝗖cie Edison, can't wait for you to get started. Now, Not all the time do people first, join off head because, people want to get used to what's going on. You can see right here, they just welcoming people into the group, welcome members, hey, look, basically check out what we have, check out, everyone that's on here, you're not by yourself. There's a lot of newbies. This program is very, very newbie friendly, guys. And it is no monthly fees. Because I know a lot of you don't have the budget to pay a monthly fee, let alone you're already paying for your capture pages, all your tools of marketing, your autoresponders. I know you pay that pretty much a month. And that could be very, very cost efficient. But with Infinity Process System, you only pay a one-time plus an admin fee just to get started. And you can get started with these product levels right here. I'm going to show you right here in the back office. And you'll be issued your own website. Your own website. It has a video right here. Learn our $300 a day blueprint. This is a blueprint that teaches you how to market for free without paid advertisement. Especially for you newbies out there that don't have a budget. So I'm scroll down here. You see? This is my picture. Right here is where they can connect with you on social media. If anyone have any questions. Look at this. I'm telling you, this is not a scam, guys. Because, like I say, I earned my first 2 sales with this opportunity. Look, right here. You see? For the starter level, $50. You could come in at the $50 just to get started, guys. You don't have to, if you don't have a $300 or $150, you can come as little as $50. And that's a one-time fee. A one-time fee. Plus, if you do decide to upgrade, you just pay the difference. From 50 to 100, you just pay the difference. That's the same thing as the $300 level. So you ain't got to go over like some programs. You have to start all over, pay another, entry fee. So you ain't got to worry about that. But look at all the stuff that you get. You earn $50 commissions. Now, I do remind you, if you come in at the $50 level and someone signs up under you at the $150 or $300 level, you will not receive those other payouts because that's going to go up to your sponsor. Your sponsor will receive those payments. So if you was to come at the $150 and somebody came at the $300 level, you will miss out on that $300 level. But if you own the $300 level, which is the pro level, you will receive the elite level, $150, and the starter level at $50. And you get all these types of bonus features. Look, Facebook strategy. A lot of you, that want to use Facebook marketing, Craigslist marketing, Instagram marketing, YouTube automation. At the $300 level, they gives you TikTok training. And TikTok is the new wave. People is growing, getting more and more views every day with this program. And you get your own method of payment, like how you want people to pay you. Maybe PayPal, Cash App. I have Zelle. You can have Stripe, or, and that stuff can hook up to your bank account. This is a step-by-step blueprint. Craigslist. If you try to do Craigslist marketing, they have that on here too. They got Facebook support. They have in the $300 level, you have 200 pre-written ads, 60 bonus image ads, a winning mindset formula to teach you how to have a winning mindset, and that's the beginning of entrepreneurship. Having that mindset to be able to dominate, to be able to be determined, to be able to go to the long haul and not quit and not give up. That's what makes a marketer one of the best marketers, because you have that mindset, and that's where it starts from. So if you would like to get started with me in IPS, which is Infinity Processing System, I highly advise you to join up at that $300 level so you can be able to receive all the benefits that comes from it. The link in the description will be below. Make sure you like and subscribe to this channel. If you think this video had done you some justice, make sure you like and subscribe to that channel. Leave your comments below in the comment section. If you have any questions or concerns about this program, I could go more and more detail about this. All right. So I just wanted to give you that little short video and let you know that Infinity Process System is not a scam. It's very, very beneficial to you. And I believe that this can help anyone in their marketing and their advertising on a daily basis. All right. That's it for today. This is Double Up with Astro. I see you guys in the next video.